Hello, today we're going to see how you can get help or support in the Wakandi CAMS application. When you've logged in on the admin panel, on the dashboard, on the bottom left, there is a logo here and a button, a help button. So when you click this, here's where you can get help or support. As you can see, it says fill out the form and start a chat. This is a team of people in the back office who are ready to support you anytime. So if you first start by filling your name, I will fill my name as Faith, and then you write your message. And once you have sent, you will receive a direct reply that please select any button that is related to your issue. You have business solutions, technical support solutions, visiting the Wakandi articles. These are articles which explain how to navigate the system. And you have the FAQ page, frequently asked questions that can help you get a reply of what you need instantly, or maybe you want to talk directly to a support team agent. If you're not interested in business solution, technical solution, you don't want to read the articles and you don't want to see the FAQs, you just want to directly talk to a Wakandi support team, all you have to do is click talk directly to a Wakandi support team agent. As you can see, the system says that please hold as we transfer you to our support team, which will get back to you in a few minutes. And you have it here. Good day. Thank you for reaching out to our Candy team. How may I help you today? And then you can write down your problem here and send.